Hey everybody, this is JP with InkSoft, and this is a quick sneak peek video. I wanted to give you some insights into a new forthcoming enhancement that we've added to InkSoft Proposals. And specifically, this enhancement can be found in the Add Custom option when configuring an ad hoc, custom one-off product that maybe you don't want to introduce to your permanent library. You just need to quickly add a one-off product. So Add Custom is the tool that you'll use to handle that use case. So what I'm going to do now that I'm in InkSoft Proposals, I'll click on Add Custom, and of course you're going to see sort of an update to the interface for Add Custom. So first things first, I'm going to give the item a name. So let's just assume that I need to add, for this scenario, a face mask that's going to be available in youth and adult. So maybe again, this is going to be a custom one-off. I don't really want to introduce this product permanently into my product repository. I just need to create it quickly so I can monetize and get approval from my client. Now in this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in face mask to represent the item name. You'll see at the very top, here's a sort of an icon where I can browse for a product image to represent this particular custom line item. Now of course you can upload more than one. So maybe I have a front imprint, a back imprint, etc. You can upload whatever images you need to represent that custom product. So here we've uploaded images, we've added a item name. Now optionally you can add the product color. Now our advice is, of course, always take a little extra time to add the appropriate product information, and really the rule of thumb is garbage in, garbage out. So poor quality data can create issues downstream in production, ordering, managing customer relationships, things of that nature. So we always advise inputting proper information up front. Now the other optional field here is going to be sizes. So as I mentioned, maybe we need to greet our client with an invoice for 100 units of a youth face mask and then maybe 100 units of adult or one size fits all. So in this case, what I can do is add a line to create those configurations. So maybe it's 100 units of two different sizes of the blue face mask. So in this case, I can enter in youth to represent the first line, and I'll do adult to represent the second iteration. And of course, I can configure the unit price. So maybe let's assume that the youth face mask decorated is $4.99 and the adult decorated face mask is $5.99. So you can see how quick and easy it is to build these custom line items, these ad hoc products. And what I can do now is click Add when I'm done making that configuration. Now, of course, I can always add notes to maybe give sort of a description to my customer. I can always come back to edit. I can copy, and I can even remove. Now, copy is a useful feature in the event that you need to create maybe different colorways. So maybe there's a red, white, and blue face mask iteration. So you can see how quick it is to copy, and then I can go into a copy by clicking Edit, and I can change the product imagery. I could even change the color name. So in this case, I could say red. So again, this is the ability to create and manage these custom products, do so very quickly with the copy function. And really the important consideration here is think about managing each of these custom line items by color, by product color way. And really what the value downstream is, let's say your client wants to make a change to a specific colorway. Well, inside of the order manager, you'll be able to manage these as separate items. And so if you need to cancel and refund maybe one of the colorways or modify the quantity or the price, you're going to have the flexibility to manage these as truly separate independent items. So definitely consider that when using the custom line item feature. Manage each colorway separately to give you a tremendous amount of autonomy and flexibility as it relates to managing the product once it's transacted. Now we expect to release this new enhancement in the next couple weeks. We're just in the final stages of testing to validate that everything works in proper order, and then we'll get this out. We'll certainly notify you via the InkSoft Facebook group and of course our newsletter. Now I do want to point out this is all based on your feedback, so continue to submit your product ideas and suggestions, and of course continue to vote on those features and enhancements that you find will bring you maximum value. And that's really how we're prioritizing, of course, introducing new features and enhancements. Alrighty, well, thanks for tuning in to this sneak peek. And again, we'll notify you when this new enhancement is available in InkSoft Proposals.